Welcome to class 10 EBA student. Today our topic of discussion TBS and its contribution. The full form of TBS is Tarun Bharat Sangh. It is an environmental NGO. It's non-profitable environmental NGO. Its headquarters are Bikrampur, Rajasthan. It was formed in 1985 under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Singh. That Rajendra Singh was the best known ecological researcher and the land management. He was awarded Stockholm Water Prize in 1915, and this award also known as Nobel Prize for Water, and for these reasons he also known as Waterman in India. Now we are coming to the contributions of TBS. TBS contributions is contribution of the soil conservation and contribution of the water conservation. Before starting these contributions, just some information we want to give. This organization was started with a single village in 1985, and after that, over the years, TBS built over 8,600 Juhat. Juhat is a kind of rainwater harvesting system and other water structure to collect rainwater for the rainy seasons and it used for the dry seasons, and that brought water back to over 1,100 villages and revived the 5 rivers in Rajasthan. Now the contribution, soil conservation contribution number 1 is afforestation. All of you know afforestation in the plantation of plants and trees. These plants and trees not only helps to reduce the soil erosion, it also helps to reduce the pollution of the nature and maintain the percentage of carbon dioxide and oxygen to purify it. Second one is the study of the soil and topography. According to the soil surface quality, the soil is selected and afterwards it is conserved it. That also helps to reduce soil erosions. Next one, a proper crop management and the irrigation. Proper crop management helps to improve irrigations. Previously, the cultivation was dependent on rainwater only, but TBS introduced artificial irrigation which was useful for the crop without harming the nature. And the management of crop also as important part of the TBS. There was a system to store surplus amount of food in warehouse and it is used for the emergency purpose. Next one is the check dams. Check dams means that dam was built to reduce the volume and velocity of the water. And these dams helps to check soil erosion, to increase groundwater research, maintain new forms of aquatic ecosystems, and helps to develop pisciculture. Now we are coming to the water conservation, another category of the contribution of TBS. Juhat cone edicts, these are the various kind of techniques of indigenous rainwater harvesting. At the time of rainy seasons, this store this rainwater in the various places, the various techniques, and that can be used in the future at the time of the dry seasons. That I will discuss in the next chapter when we have the carrying of water chapters. The second one, the rooftop harvesting. Rooftop harvesting means the collected of rainwater on the top of the roof, and it is covered by insulating materials just like the straw or dry leaves that to prevent the evaporation of water. And at the time of the dry season, we can use these rooftop rainwaters. Another one, the percolation of pit. Percolation of pit means a tank was formed under the ground with a non-concreted tank, and rainwater collected at the time of rainy seasons either from the rooftop or from the various places of the surrounding of their houses, and finally it goes into the stored into the underground, and at the time of dry season we can use, but that kind of water cannot be used for drinking purpose because the chance of the contamination of diseases of like this. Now the percolation pits, down the bore wells. Bore wells means a well is formed under the ground and the rainwater is collected at the time of rainy seasons and stored into these wells, just like a more or less same as the percolation pits. And at the time of dry seasons, we can use this water for our own purposes. Okay, now we are coming for the worksheet. The following questions you have to learn. What is TBS? What is TBS means not the full form of TBS. You have to define the TBS. Who is the chairman of TBS? Third one, state the contribution of TBS on soil conservation. And the last and the fourth, why Dr. Rajendra Singh is known as Waterman in India. Thank you.